This is a picture of me from 12th grade. I'm pretty proud of what I look back here, except for the zits. And I don't know if you're going to be able to get in close enough to see the zits. My name is Cedric DeHue. I am an attorney with the firm of Baker & Daniels.
This is Angela.
My name is Angela Augustin, and I graduated from law school from the University of Kansas School of Law in May of 2005, and I've been a lawyer now for 3.5 years.
If you see her, you just tell her Milton said hi. My name is Milton Augustus Turner. I'm a second-year law student at IU School of Law in Indianapolis.
This is my law degree here, hanging on the wall. My name is Kevin Muñoz. Me llamo Kevin Muñoz. Y yo acabo de graduarme de la escuela and I recently graduated from Indiana School of Law in Indianapolis.
Well, my name is Tina Clark, and I am a baby lawyer. I just took the bar this past July and found out that I passed in October, which is very exciting.
This is a picture of me and my mother. This is actually the day that I graduated law school. And now I'm going to be taking the bar in February, and hopefully I pass that, and then I will begin my career as an attorney.
Yeah, Cedric DeHue, Baker & Daniels. How are you doing today? I've already gone through law school. I've sat for the state bar exam and passed that, and I've been practicing for a little over 3 years now.
And I've just started a new job here in Indianapolis. I'm a judicial law clerk on the Indiana Court of Appeals.
This next summer, I'll be working at Ice Miller as a law clerk there. It's going to be very exciting there. I really hope to do well, and well enough for them to keep me around afterwards and give me a permanent position. That would be great.
I brought my senior year high school yearbook, class of 2000. I was one of those dorky kids with my nose in a book.
Oh yeah, I was a goofball. I mean, if I were to go back and talk to my friends from high school, they probably would say, "Oh wow, I can't believe that Cedric became an attorney."
When I was a little kid, I didn't want to be a lawyer. I didn't think I wanted to be a lawyer. It wasn't even on my radar.
This is a picture of me at my high school prom. Growing up, you know, no one in my family was a lawyer. No one in my family actually graduated college.
I didn't have a lot of money. My parents couldn't help me much. And at the time, I was young in high school. All I was thinking about is prom money.
I was really interested in music. I played the violin and the piano, and I thought that's what I wanted to do.
I wanted to make a difference in people's lives.
I worked as a chemist for a year between undergrad and graduate school. And while it was a good job, it just wasn't very satisfying to me. I knew I was not going to be able to do that for 30 or 40 years of my life. I wanted to accomplish more.
And I wanted to be somewhat of a healer, a person that could help others, basically. I wanted to be able to help others.
The great thing about practicing law, the thing that's really cool about it, is that law is everywhere and it touches every part of our lives.
It's what allows you to go and get a driver's license. It's what allows you to make a certain amount of money.
Committing crimes and going to the hospital, buying a house.
It's what allows you to go vote every 2 to 4 years. It's what allows you to go and get married.
It's every single thing that you do is somehow affected by the law. Everything that you go through, there's a law behind it.
There's not a lot of work that you do that touches people as directly and in such a grand scale as you can in the law. In the law, you can get involved with issues of policy, business, government, politics, and that's where I see myself going.
Being an attorney is great. It's a very enjoyable profession, especially if you enjoy helping other people and seeing them accomplish their goals.
And it's true that it is a good living in terms of money. Which for me is important because someday I'd like to have a family, and I'd like for them to be able to eat.
There are several rewards to being an attorney. Now I'm working as a civil attorney, and on this side there are definitely some great financial benefits, nice offices, big windows, things like that. But there's a lot of internal, personal rewards, I think, to being a lawyer also. I was a prosecutor before this job, and There's a lot of satisfaction in coming back to your office and sharing with your fellow prosecutors or sharing with the community the fact that you put a guy in jail for 30 years for something that he did that was very bad. I used to work in domestic violence, and the reward in that is having a victim tell you that you helped her.
If you want to become a lawyer, you can go to law school and you can do this.
Trust me, if I could be a lawyer, anybody could be a lawyer.
Lawyers are just like everyone else.
To think that lawyers are somehow better than others, or it's not for you because, you know, they're a higher class or a different sector of society, that's just very false.
It doesn't take anyone smarter or anything else to be a lawyer. It's just we take more tests and we read more stuff. When I'm not sitting at my desk and being a lawyer, I like to do a lot of things. I like to go to the movies, I like to hang out with my friends.
The biggest things that's changed my life forever is on the new Xbox experience. You can download movies from Netflix into your instant queue and then watch them on the television without waiting for the DVDs to come in. It changed my life. I'm watching movies all the time.
Oh, I enjoy sports. I love football.
I like to spend a Saturday doing nothing but watching a marathon of America's Next Top Model.
Bob Sanders is my favorite football player, you know, bar none. I mean, the guy's the eraser. He's awesome.